Hey guys, so today I'm making my very last cooking video recipe in this apartment, and I wanted to share it with y'all. I didn't have to, but I wanted to. So let's get started. Alright, so let me go over ingredients really quickly. I have marjoram here, all-purpose seasoning, cayenne, salt, and pepper. Here I have pepper, garlic pieces, lemon pieces. We're going to season the chicken that I have over here. That's draining, and I'm also drying it off because I want it to be super dry so the seasoning can stick. Alright, you guys, so this is the chicken, nice and prepped and ready to go. Yep. Alright, so this is going to be the basting sauce, glaze, whatever you want to call it, for the chicken. And here I have honey, black pepper, butter, and thyme. And to this I'm gonna add my peach Masson. This it's not mandatory. You could do this without it, or you can use wine, or you can use chicken broth. I'm just gonna add maybe, I don't know, 1/4 cup of that. Put it on the stove, allow everything to melt down together, and then we're gonna drizzle some on the chicken, but reserve most of it for when the chicken is actually cooking. Alright, so back here I'm melting down some bacon fat. I'm about to make some easy, simple, basic, dirty rice. Alright, so you want to brown up your meat. You can use whatever meat you want to. I'm using ground beef. Alright, these are the vegetables that are going to go down into the rice. I actually cut up some red peppers, onions, and a jalapeno. That's the green right there. You can use regular bell pepper and garlic. I'm just going to season this with paprika, salt, and pepper, because like I said, that's all I have. So alright, so now what you want to do is you want to take your melted butter, honey, parmesan, thyme, pepper mixture, and you just want to drizzle it. Do not mop it. You just season your meat. If you allow this to marinate overnight, then okay. Mine is not. So I'm not going to mop it. I'm just going to drizzle it all over the chicken. Pop this into a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Then you're going to pull it back to 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour, so the chicken can cook completely through. You guys, look how delicious this looks. Yum. Oh, only a few ingredients, and it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna check on the chicken and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now that I got it to brown up a bit, I cut my oven back to 350. I want to drizzle some more of this honey, butter, and Parmesan butter. And I'm actually gonna cover this because I want it to make some juice. But I really wanted it to get some nice color on there before I covered it up. So now I'm going to cover it. Alright, you guys, so this is what the chicken looks like. Look how delicious this looks. I already poured the chicken juice from out of here. I have it on the stove reducing. That's optional, of course, because again, this is just baked chicken, and this sauce is rich enough to put over rice or anything. So I'm just reducing it, and that's all. But this chicken just looks amazing. It smells amazing. That honey, the Parmesan leaves a hint of that flavor in the back. And yeah, I'm gonna allow it to rest, and then we're gonna eat dinner later. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This is officially my last recipe in this home, and I'll be back, you guys, in a month. So get ready for that. Bye guys, love you all. Bye.